Hey everyone, this is Arun and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing very well. So today in this video, I am providing the solution of this question. Blair and Rosen B&R is a brokerage firm that specializes in investment portfolios designed to meet the specific risk tolerances of its client. So this question has three parts. The first one is what is the recommended investment portfolio of this client and what is the annual return of the portfolio. Then we have part B as well. And what is the recommended, it says what is the recommended investment portfolio for this aggressive investor. And then part C as well. So we need to use Excel solver and graphical method to provide the solution of this question. So here is our Excel file. So I've used Excel formulation using two variables, which is I and B. So I is the internet fund investment in thousands and B is the blue chip fund investment in thousands. Then finally, our goal is to maximize the profit. So this 0.2 I and 0.09 B we have gathered from the question itself. And this one is our percentage and this one is our percentage. So if you divide it by 100, both of them, so you will get this 0.12 and 0.09. Now, this one is our decision variables. So this is automatically captured using Excel solver. I run the Excel solver and these all are the constants which is defined as per the question. First one is C1, available investment funds. Then maximum investment funds in internet fund, which is C2. And C3 finally defines the maximum risk for moderator investor. Now these two are our maximum profit variables. And finally, this is the total profit, which is achieved using Excel solver and Excel formulas. Now, I'm going back to the sheets. Answer report 1. This is being created using Excel solver. And this one is our sensitivity report. And this one is our limits report. Then this one is the chart. Graphical method also I've created. And this line suggests the risk constraints. Then optimal solution, which is I equals to 20 and B equals to 30. Profit equals to 5100. This is our profit, which is optimal solution. And then this one is the blue line, which suggests the maximum internet funds. Then this is the line. This is the area which defines our available funds, which is 50,000. And this is our objective function. And the whole shaded area is our optimal region. Now, as per the question, we have part B and part C as well. So I have provided the solution using Excel formulas and Excel solver to gather this question. So I hope you like this video, and to get this question, you can just reach me out over my WhatsApp and email address, which I will be providing in the description part of this video. So you can directly reach me out for this Excel file. And thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Take care and bye.